Question 24 is a bit of a stinker when it comes to probability trees, in that the answer is going to look as simple as this. We've got three colours in this box. We've got pink, we've got blue, we've got green. We're told various facts about the contents of the box, and we've been asked to find the probability that Frida takes two counters from the box, which means she does not replace the first pick, and we've got to find an expression in terms of x of the probability that she takes two counters of the same colour. So we're interested in pink, pink, blue, blue, and green, green. Here's a probability tree of roughly what's going on. Okay, this is the situation. We've got y counters in a box. We're told the number of pink counters are x. We've got 5 blue and we've got a mystery number of green, but we're told that the ratio of x to y is 1 to 3. So let's first of all deal with this ratio. So I can say that x over y is equal to 1 over 3. And therefore, y is equal to 3x. So using our total of y now, I can solve for g. So therefore I can say that g plus 5 plus x must equal y, which is 3x. So therefore g is equal to, the x comes over here, so this will be 2x minus 5. So adding that to my tree. Now we can work out the probability as we go along: pink, pink, blue, blue, green, green. Yes, for red, see pink. And if you notice, I've put on the diagram that y is equal to 3x, because we don't really want y, because if you notice, your answer does not contain y. So we really don't want to even work with y. So the probability of getting here, which is a red pick, will be x over 3x, which is equal to 1 over 3. So your probability of the second pick being red will be x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. The total will have gone down by 1 as well because you've picked 1. So the probability of 2 times pink is equal to these two guys multiplied together. So this is a third x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. Now let's look at blue, blue. The probability of the first blue will be 5 over the total, which is 3x. And your next pick will be 5 minus 1 over 3x minus 1. And therefore the probability of 2 times blue will be equal to these guys multiplied together. Now the greens. We've got 2x minus 5 over the total 3x again. And our second pick will be 2x minus 6 over 3x minus 1. So the probability of 2 greens is equal to these two guys multiplied together. So the probability of either getting 2 pinks, 2 blues, 2 greens is the addition of all of this lot. And if I restore an x and a 3x and not cancel that x away, they're all sitting on the same common denominator. And that common denominator is 3x multiplied by 3x minus 1. So now let's work on the top line. This is x minus 1, that's our first term, plus 5 times 4, which is 20, plus this lot. So this is equal to x squared minus x plus 20, and now the multiplication of this bracket, which is 4x squared plus 30. We've got a negative 10x here and another negative 12x, which is negative 22x. And that's over our denominator. And now I'm looking towards the answer now. They've multiplied this bracket out. So if I multiply this out, I get 9x squared minus 3x. So the denominator is in exactly the form that they want. So sorting out the top line, The x squared terms are here. So this is 5x squared. Now the x terms. I've got a negative x. I've got another negative 22. So this makes negative 23x. And the numbers 20 and 30, 50. And that's divided by a copy and paste of 9x squared minus 3x. Well, I'll leave you to equate the a's and the b's and the c's, but this is in exactly the form they wanted, a quadratic on top of another quadratic. And that will be your answer.